Nano is presently at the number 185 position in the digital money market. It had an ATH of $37.62 on Jan 02, 2018, while the ongoing cost is just $0.8537, somewhere near 97.71% from its ATH. Has the XNO token lost its appeal? Will Nano recuperate from here on out? Figure out replies to every one of these and other significant questions in our Nano value forecast, and considerably more. In light of our XNO expectations for the year 2023, the coin might have least and greatest costs of around 74 cents and $1.81 separately. The XNO crypto is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $2.10 and $3.03 separately, according to our Nano coin cost forecast 2025. Our Nano token cost expectation 2030 demonstrates that the possible high of the coin might be $10.68, with a likely low of $7.42 in the crypto market. What is Nano crypto? Nano is a computerized installment convention that is intended to be lightweight and open. The emphasis is on eliminating the shortcomings present in other digital forms of money. The point is to bring Nano crypto into individuals' day-to-day routines. Nano means to play out its blockchain exchanges in a lot quicker and more adaptable way than Bitcoin. It was additionally planned with new information structures and different systems to acquire a few benefits over other computerized coins. The insignificant block size permits the Nano to do lightweight correspondence, consequently diminishing the exchange affirmation times and making it quicker. Without the conventional confirmation of work and mining, hubs utilize altogether less energy per exchange. It is, in that sense, a greener choice than the opposition. Nano involves a construction for each block, which contains all the data about the bookkeeper by then. Each block likewise incorporates a little client-created confirmation of work esteem, a COS prioritization instrument, permitting an intermittent client exchange to process at quick velocities. This exchange requires some investment of a couple of moments to be executed on current computer chips. This lightweight design makes Nano super quick. Nano likewise has a creative agreement component called Open Delegate Casting a Ballot, ORV. In view of our Nano cost expectation, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The Nano cost conjecture for long-term end is $0.688. The Nano cost is anticipated to penetrate the typical value level of $0.98774 by the start of December 2023. The normal most extreme cost is $1.235. The base cost is $0.83958. According to our specialized examination on past value information of Nano, in 2023, the cost of Nano is anticipated to stretch around its obstruction level of $1.15. The Nano cost can arrive at the greatest cost degree of $1.19, with a typical cost of $1.07. According to our transient forecast. The current cost of Nano is not even close to the highs it had in the principal half of 2018. These value highs were cosmic, and no measure of silliness ought to have had the option to drop them. Indeed, there is a justification behind that. At the outset, crypto costs were exchanging at all-time highs, with practically every rendition of Bitcoin and comparable clones at a stunning cost on the lookout. According to the venture exhortation from the monetary guides, the crypto costs are anticipated to be ill-fated on account of the absence of national banks to control it and having no real worth. This was trailed by enormous selling and a cost change, as short vendors likewise began to dump the virtual monetary forms and sell Nano. Any reasonable person would agree that on the off chance that the coin mirrors an upturn and returns to its unsurpassed high, it will probably continue a pattern that other cryptographic forms of money will likewise continue on the lookout. Clients need to execute specialized examination for exchanging. They can attempt to go for the gold floods past the help reach and accept their benefit when the spike is noticed, and on the off chance that there is no cost unpredictability, attempt to take their benefits there. The thought is to allow the unpredictability to settle prior to selling the resource. Swing exchanging procedures could likewise be executed subsequent to doing legitimate examination and following the most recent news, specialized investigation, Nano value expectations, and market refreshes. Nano value forecasts are challenging to shape since the hidden basic investigation isn't possible since it needs new inclusion. The upsides and downsides are strong. That is, it is exceptionally simple to execute. The exchanges are free with no secret charges. The framework is dependable, and the advancement group is as yet buckling down on it. Yet, the drawbacks are likewise there. Like purchasing Nano is troublesome. What's more, worthiness is non-existent, since it isn't greatly known external a little circle. This makes it undeniably challenging to project the Nano coin's future cost forecast. In addition, in the crypto market, anything can occur because of huge unpredictability. Nano coin value expectation 2023. In the year 2023, the greatest cost could stretch around $1.81, while the base cost may be around 74 cents, and the typical cost might be around $1.27 in light of our Nano forecasts. All the cost levels mirror the indication of an expansion in the cost. XNO value forecast 2024. There is plausible of long-haul procuring potential by seeing the ongoing cost rise. Nano value expectation 2025. According to our Nano estimate 2025, the cost of XNO could arrive at a most extreme cost of $3.03 in the year 2025, while the base and normal costs may be around $2.10 and $2.56 separately. On the off chance that the cost arrives at the most extreme level, it will be gainful for speculation purposes. According to our Nano estimate, the cost could arrive at a greatest degree of $2.36, while the base level might be $1.64. Simultaneously, a typical level is expected to be around $2 in the year 2024. Nano value expectation 2025. According to our Nano figure 2025, the cost of XNO could arrive at a most extreme cost of $3.03 in the year 2025, while the base and normal costs may be around $2.10 and $2.56 separately. In the event that the cost arrives at the most extreme level, it will be gainful for speculation purposes. Nano crypto value expectation 2026. In light of the Nano coin cost forecast, the Nano cost could go up to $3.92 in the year 2026, with a base cost of $2.72. Simultaneously, the typical worth may be around $3.32. Best of all, Nano is sensibly protected, open source, and it tends to be utilized any place in the world. Nano expectation 2027. Taking a gander at the Nano value forecast and specialized examination, it very well may be guessed that the greatest worth of XNO might be around $5.07. Simultaneously, the previous presentation likewise proposes that the base and normal qualities might be $3.52 and $4.30. XNO crypto value forecast 2028. When it is 2028, our Nano crypto cost expectation recommends that the potential low and exorbitant cost might be $4.50 and $6.48. Simultaneously, the token could have a typical cost of $5.49. Nano value expectations 2029. In light of the Nano coin cost forecast, the symbolic will exchange at a limit of $8.29 and at least $5.76, while